Next award for Vivo Best Director Telugu.
And to present this award, may I call upon stage Mr. Vivek Zhang, the CMO for Vivo India, and Ms. Shreya Saran.
Zhang, good to see you. I saw you in Hyderabad. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, thank you. I would like to ask you about your association with SIMA.
So, good evening, Abu Dhabi. Vivo is extremely proud and happy to associate with SIMA, the most prominent film award show promoting South India movie industry. We look forward to have a wonderful association. Thank you.
The winner is...
Good evening, Saima. A very good evening to everyone, and a very big hi. You guys are doing a brilliant, brilliant job.
Thank you.
I love you, Saima. Okay, the award goes to... Dude, when are you casting me in your film? You know it, so just come on.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సైమా ఫర్ మేకింగ్ ఊపిరి ఆల్ ద మోస్ట్ స్పెషల్ అబౌట్ దిస్ అవార్డ్. మొదటగా నేను ఇక్కడ నిలబడడానికి కారణం, ఊపిరి జరగడానికి కారణం, నేను ఈ అవార్డు తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ నిలబడడానికి కారణం అక్కినేని నాగార్జున గారు. సార్, నేను ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా తక్కువే, చెప్పినా మళ్ళీ చెప్తూ ఉంటాను, ఊపిరి అనేది మీ నమ్మకం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, ఈ సినిమాని నన్ను ఇంతగా నమ్మినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ my friend, I thank Upiri for giving me a great friend in Karthi. I really just run out of words when I just start talking about him. Thank you, Karthi Garu, for all your support and trust in me. And the PVP Garu for believing in us and making this possible, for making Upiri possible. And all my technical team, meet Hari, Solomon, and PS Vinod Garu, my brother, Sunil Babu for the production design, Gopi Sundar for the music, and Madhu for the editing, and each and every actor who acted in the film, Tamanna, Prakash Raj Garu, Jay Sudha Garu, and of course Shreya, thank you for doing the cameo, my lucky charm, always, and receiving this from you has become all the more special. Thank you so much, Shreya. సినిమా జరుగుతున్న టైంలో నాగార్జున గారు వీల్ చైర్లో కూర్చోవడం ఏంటి ఇది అని భయంగా మార్చారు. కానీ సినిమా రిలీజ్ అయ్యాక ఆ భయంని ధైర్యంగా మార్చిన తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు ఇది నేను అంకితం ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇది తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల విజయం. మీరు చూపించిన ప్రేమ ఆదరణ వల్లే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ దేశంలో నేను అవార్డు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ అస్ వాట్ వీ ఆర్, అండ్ వీఆర్ హియర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Mr. Ajay Mishra, National Sales Manager, Modern Trade, the Himalaya Drug Company Consumer Products and Division, and alage Nikhil Gowda garni stage మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకున్నాము. Can we have both of you on stage, please?
Hi bro, how are you?
Great,
Good.
Nikhil. How are you doing?
All well, man.
Nice suit, man.
Yes.
Looking dashing.
And the best debutant actor female is
Kalyani Priyadarshini.
Saima for this award. Actually, it took a whole village get me here today winning this award, and I have at least 100 people to thank for this. The leader of that village was my director, Vikram sir. Sir, thank you so much for such a special character. I really hope I've done you proud. Of course, Nag sir, Akhil, Vinod sir, thank you so much for all of your support. It meant a lot. This award especially is a little special because I know that people took time from their day to go online and vote. And I got a lot of sweet messages saying that they voted for me, and a lot of people voted. And that to me meant a lot because, I don't know, that it's that love that keeps me going. And I really hope I continue to make you guys proud. So thank you.
congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen,
SIMA Best Debutant Actors Telugu.
ఈ అవార్డు ఇవ్వడానికి మే కాల్ అపాన్ స్టేజ్ మిస్టర్ టోనీ నాగ్మయ, General Manager of Malaysia Major Events, a division of Malaysia Convention and Exhibition Bureau, and
Uma Qureshi.
Good evening, Malaysia. It's very fitting that I'm announcing the award for the best debutante actress in Telugu because it's my debut, I guess, also at SIMA. It gives me great pleasure. The best debutante actress Telugu goes to Avika Gaur for Uyala Jampala.
గణపతి బప్ప మోర్య అందరికీ నమస్కారం till now that is the only thing I can say in Telugu but yes thank you Saima for getting me here in Malaysia. Thank you Malaysia for all those applauses, all those claps, all those screams. Thank you so much and thank you Uyala Jampala. Thank you Nagarjuna sir, thank you Ram Mohan sir for trusting me and giving me the character of Uma Devi, which literally changed my life. So thank you so much. I dedicate this award to my God, my parents, my family, my friends, all of you present here. Thank you so much. Thank you Uma, thank you so much.
Pragna Jaiswal. Hi ma'am, welcome.
Thank you.
SIMA growing bigger and bigger every year. How is it feeling?
I feel very happy to be here. Last year, I remember walking the same red carpet, being very, very nervous. I won Best Debut here. The first award function where I won an award was last year, SIMA. So it is very close to my heart, very special, and very happy that SIMA is growing bigger and bigger each year.
Okay. Doing all multi-star films and working with all the stars. ఎలా ఉంది ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
చాలా 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 బాగుంది. Working with some of the most amazing directors. Firstly, working with a director like Krishna Vamsi sir, KRR sir. So absolutely fortunate to be working with some of these veteran directors. And working with some really amazing co-stars, working with these amazing actors like Varun and Tej and so many others, like, you know, very happy to be a part of Telugu film industry and working with working on the films that I'm working on at the moment.
నాగార్జున గారితో చేశారు ఓం నమో వెంకటేశయ్య.
Really, it was a great experience working with Nag sir. He is a fabulous actor and an amazing and warm human being. He makes your work very easy because he's so easy to work with and he transforms like that. Like, you know, he'll be really like cracking jokes on the set at 1 minute and then he'll go on set and he'll become a different human being. So great experience working with him and yeah.
And you're working with all the youngsters also.
Yeah.
So, how's it
my launch was with Varun. So, I mean, there's not much of a difference because eventually when we are at work, we're all, you know, actors. And actually Nag sir that way had a very young vibe about himself. He's very young at heart. So not a great difference. He's like everybody else. So great experience working with all the younger actors also.
Superb. And you're looking great in this dress. Something special about it?
Yeah, this dress is designed by Monisha Jayasingh. She's one of my favorite designers and I'm very happy to wear her gown.
Wishing you many more success and enjoy.
Thank you.